Potomac River during the warning time frame. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Breton Bay, Colton's Point, St. Clements Bay, Coles Point, St. George Island, White Point Beach, Tall Timbers, and Piney Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Wales, Greenway, Westmoreland, Gibbon, Sandy Point, Kremlin, Oldham, and Village. A list for possible tornadoes. Tornadoes could develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Spawn tornadoes showing one radar indicated for all central Washington.
Except damage to trees and tree lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Caroline and Kingston around 2:14 p.m. Thursday around 2:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorms include Lighthouse, Greenway, Westmoreland, Gibbon, Sandy Point, Kremlin, Oldham, and Village.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Washington metro area and the surrounding KHB listening area. This afternoon, numerous showers and scattered thunderstorms. Highs in the mid-70s. East winds 5 to 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour. Chance wind 70%. Tonight, showers and scattered thunderstorms until midnight. Then showers with isolated thunderstorms after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. North of Greenway. Southeastern St. Mary's County in southern Maryland until 3 p.m. At 2:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Lewisetta or near St. George Island, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard packed. Photos in the direct path. Debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur.
At 2:32 p.m., severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Lewisetta or near St. George Island, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
Avoid windows.
Specifically on this. Tornado will creep around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Skyland, St. Margaret's, Point Lookout, and Wyoming Ridge. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Since we have con
Southeastern Richmond County in East Central Virginia, Southeastern Essex County in East Central Virginia, Western Lancaster County in Eastern Virginia until 3:30 p.m. At 2:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Little Plymouth, 40 West Point, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts at quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Churchview around 2:50 p.m. Jamaica around 2:55 p.m. Santa Claus around 3 p.m. Moratico and Sharps around 3:15 p.m. Robley and Farnham around 3:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Mainview, Wilford, Charlotte, Alfonso,
Jamaica around 2:55 p.m.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling
around 2:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Scotland, St. Inigo.
Weather alert. Weather alert.
Take cover now.
Just say, I didn't say.
Avoid windows. And help you. An interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are out.
shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The tornado warning remains in effect until 3 p.m. for southeastern.
Get up mornings with.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 4 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles northwest of Irvington, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokomico River, mouth of the Potomac River and Point Lookout. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The tornado. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia until 4 p.m. At 3:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles south of Coles Point to Yokomico River, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Yokomico River, Tall Silvers, St. George Island, Cold Point, White Point Beach, and Piney Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.